Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a IoT-based fingerprint attendance system. And in this system, we use here a node MCU and we will provide 5-volt power supply from a adapter, and then it will operate our node MCU and our another components. So we use here a fingerprint sensor and one OLED display. So now we will connect our fingerprint sensor with our node MCU, and now it's connected the power supply pin from node MCU to our fingerprint sensor. Then another two pin is for our data transfer from our fingerprint sensor to our node MCU. So our fingerprint sensor is connected properly, and now we will connect our OLED display with our node MCU. In this case, two pin is used here for make sure 3.3 volt power supply for our OLED display, and another two cable is for data transfer from node MCU to our OLED display. So display is showing text, and our fingerprint is blinking here. That means our OLED and our fingerprint is properly connected with our node MCU. So our system is ready now. So let's check the full operation of our project first. So you see here that we open here a Google Sheet. Here we can insert date, student name, student ID, in time from any student and out time of any student, and last one is status of presence. To check this fingerprint attendance system, we will use this 4 finger from our left hand, and this 3 finger will be used from our right hand, and this 7 finger is equal to 7 person. So first one is entering his in time, and you can see the OLED display, it's showing success, and then when it will be sent, our data will be inserted in our Google Sheet. So second person is entering in classroom, so his entering time, date, name and student ID also showing here. So third person is entering here, and now 4 number person is entered here, and now we will use our right hand, and this one is 5th number person, this one 6th number person is entering in our classroom, and this one is 7th number person who is enter in our classroom. So it's showing date, student name, and then the student ID of student, then it's showing in time of every person. In this status column, the palms in is noted for every person because every person is entering here. Now we will go out from this classroom, so everyone will punch his finger in our fingerprint sensor. So first person is go out, and that time is added here in out time. So here you see that the status is changing here. Which person is punch here second time, that person's status is punched out, and which person is not punch his finger till now, that person is showing here punch in status bar. So now sixth person is punched his finger, and last person, that means 7th number person, is punched his finger, and its status showing that punch out. So this is the full operation of our project. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time. So if you want to make this project then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.